Hey everyone, if your Discord permissions are not working, like users can't send messages, access channels, or roles are not applying correctly in 2026, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Discord permission issues. First, check role hierarchy. Discord permissions depend on role order, so higher roles override lower ones. Next, check channel overrides. Channel specific permissions can block or change server role settings. Now check the at everyone role. Sometimes it restricts basic permissions like viewing or sending messages. Make sure users actually have the correct roles assigned. Permissions will not work if the role is missing. If you are using bots, check bot permissions separately. Bots need access like managing messages and roles to function properly. Also remove conflicting permission settings. Deny settings in channels can override allow permissions from roles. Finally, restart Discord or rejoin the server. Sometimes changes take a moment to update across the system. So yeah, that's how you fix Discord permissions not working in 2026.